How to fix. Your account cannot be created at this time. Apple ID error. If you're trying to create an Apple ID on your iPhone or iPad, but keep seeing this error message, don't worry. I'll walk you through a few solutions to fix it. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. The first thing you should do is make sure you have a fast and stable internet connection. Open the control center on your iPhone. If you're using Wi-Fi and it's slow or unstable, switch to mobile data for a few minutes and then try creating your Apple ID again. If you're already on mobile data, turn it off and switch to a Wi-Fi network instead. A weak connection is often the reason why this error appears, so ensuring a stable network can resolve the issue. Solution 2. Disable VPN. Another common cause of this problem is having a VPN virtual private network enabled. 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. 2. Scroll down and tap VPN, which should be located under the Battery section. 3. If VPN is turned on, disable it and disconnect. While a VPN is useful for changing your location by masking your IP address, it can sometimes interfere with Apple's account creation process. Turning it off and trying again may solve the problem. Solution 3. Update your iPhone's software. An outdated iOS version can cause glitches that prevent you from creating an Apple ID. 1. Open Settings and General and Software Update. 2. If an update is available, install the latest iOS version. Updating your iPhone regularly can fix bugs and other system issues, including problems with account creation. Solution 4. Check date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can also cause problems when setting up an Apple ID. 1. Go to Settings. General Date and Time. 2. Make sure the Set Automatically option is enabled. Setting the date and time manually can sometimes lead to system conflicts, so it's best to let your iPhone sync to the correct time zone automatically. Solution 5. Reset all settings. If none of the previous steps worked, resetting all settings on your iPhone might help. 1. Go to Settings in General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. 2. Tap Reset and reset all settings. This won't delete your apps, data, or files, but it will restore system settings, like Wi-Fi passwords, Face ID, and notification preferences, to their default state. Keep in mind that you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks and reconfigure some settings afterward. Solution 6. Create your Apple ID using a web browser. If you're still unable to create your Apple ID on your iPhone, try doing it from a browser instead. 1. Open Safari, or any web browser, and go to appleid.apple.com. 2. Click on the arrow and select Create Your Apple ID. 3. Enter your information correctly and follow the on-screen instructions. This method often works when the in-app setup fails, allowing you to bypass any temporary issues on your device. Final thoughts. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Apple ID creation issue. If the problem persists, you may need to contact Apple support for further assistance. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me. Thanks.